Who wants to get rich? I know, I do, you do, we all do. But in an academically advanced world, not everyone can drop out of college and become a millionaire. We need to get a degree at the least. So here are 10 degrees that can potentially make you a millionaire. But first, if you are interested in financial freedom and looking for valuable lessons on personal finance management and growth, you are in the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please hit that subscribe button and bell icon to take your next step closer to financial independence. At number 10, we have environmental engineering. Who knew saving the world could also save your wallet? Now don't get too excited. No one's asking you to be the next Captain Planet, but with a degree in environmental engineering, you're looking at the potential for a six-figure income right out of the gate. Not too shabby for a bunch of tree huggers, right? No offense. Let's move on to number 9. Economics. It's all about supply, demand, and figuring out how many pizzas you can buy with your first paycheck. But don't let the pizza analogy fool you. Economics is a serious game with high stakes. You could be shaping fiscal policies or analyzing market trends. And the best part? You're likely to be raking in the dough, and we're not talking about pizza dough here. Remember, the environment and economy need you, and your future yacht needs you too. Moving on to number 8, pharmacy, because who doesn't want to legally deal drugs? In all seriousness though, pharmacists are a vital part of our healthcare system. They provide valuable advice to patients and manage a wide array of medications. A degree in pharmacy can lead to a career with a median annual wage well into the 6 figures. Not bad for a legal drug dealer, right? Next at number 7 we have finance. Yes, it's as exciting as watching paint dry, but hey, it pays the bills. And then some. With a degree in finance, you could find yourself in a variety of high-paying roles. You could be a financial analyst, a portfolio manager, or even a chief financial officer. Just imagine being able to afford all the paint you want to watch dry. So whether you're pushing pills or crunching numbers, your bank account won't be complaining. At number 6, electrical engineering, it's shocking how much you can earn. Diving right in, electrical engineering is a field that's always in high demand. You're basically the superheroes of the modern world, controlling the power that keeps our lives running. The average salary, a cool 6 figures. Not too shabby for playing with circuits and wires all day, right? Next up at number 5 is nursing, because saving lives and raking in the dough can go hand in hand. Now, this isn't just about changing bedpans and checking pulses. Nurses are the backbone of healthcare. The unsung heroes saving lives while the doctors take all the credit. And the payoff? A handsome salary that'll keep you comfortable and the satisfaction of making a real difference. And now, number 4, computer science. The classic nerd-turned-billionaire story, because every billionaire seems to have started in a garage with a computer. It's not just for the Mark Zuckerbergs and Bill Gates of the world. Every day another tech whiz is born in a basement, garage, or dorm room. With a degree in computer science, you could be the brains behind the next big thing. And let's not forget the paychecks that come with it, often soaring well into 6 figures. So whether you're wiring circuits, saving lives, or coding the next big app, you're in for a wealthy future. And finally, the top 3. Number 3, petroleum engineering, because black gold isn't just for pirates anymore. In this dynamic field, you'll be tasked with extracting and refining that sweet, sweet crude oil. And the payoff? Well, let's just say you could afford your own fleet of pirate ships. Moving on to number 2, medicine, where you can literally charge an arm and a leg. As a doctor, your earning potential is through the roof. Plus, you get to use cool phrases like stat and scalpel please. And the number 1 degree for getting rich? Business administration. Because someone has to count all that money. As a business administrator, you'll be pulling the strings behind the scenes, making those crucial decisions that keep the cash flowing. So there you have it, the top 10 degrees that could have you rolling in the dough. Remember, wealth isn't just about the money. It's about the freedom to buy that sports car and then park it in the back row. So, comment below which of these fields you plan to study in. And if you already have a degree in any of the fields we just mentioned, let us know if you are a millionaire already. Don't forget to like and share this video, and check more videos on our channel to increase your knowledge on finance and money management.